When we drink carrot juice, it is not just a simple beverage. It begins a powerful journey inside the human body. As carrot juice reaches the stomach, digestion slowly starts, where enzymes break it down into essential nutrients. These nutrients then travel to the intestines, where they are absorbed into the bloodstream. Through the blood, the nutrients spread across the entire body, delivering energy and support to vital organs. In the brain, they help activate neurons, improving focus, clarity, and mental performance. In the muscles, they support strength, nourishment, and faster recovery after physical effort. Inside the gut, carrot juice helps maintain a healthy microbiome, supporting digestion and overall immunity. However, excessive intake can cause stomach irritation, blood sugar spikes, and feelings of fatigue. Remember, carrot juice is powerful, but only when consumed in balance.